Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete messages on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap Inbox from the bottom panel. You'll see your TikTok chat list. Open any conversation where you want to delete a message. To delete a single TikTok message, tap and hold on the message you want to remove. Options will appear at the bottom. Then select Delete for Me. The message will disappear from your chat. Note that this only deletes the message for you, not for the other person. If you want to delete an entire TikTok conversation, go back to your Inbox chat list. Long press the conversation that you want to delete. A delete option will appear. Tap Delete. Then tap Delete again to confirm. The entire TikTok chat will be removed from your inbox. Keep in mind that deleting messages or conversations on TikTok only removes them from your device. The other person will still have access to the messages unless they delete them too. If you want to unsend a TikTok message so it disappears for both people, unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have that feature yet. You can only delete for yourself. And that's how you delete messages on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more TikTok tips and messaging tutorials. Thanks for watching.